The Ford Explorer EV, while ultimately canceled, provides a useful case study for understanding EV wiper systems. This video explains how its front wipers would have functioned based on Ford's existing EV technology. Since the vehicle was never produced, this explanation relies on extrapolations from models like the Mustang Mach-E and general EV principles. We will cover operation, maintenance, and future trends, focusing on practical knowledge relevant to EV owners. The primary wiper control would be a stalk located on the left side of the steering column. In the vehicle interior, the stalk is positioned near the steering wheel. Pulling the stalk towards you activates a single wipe. Pushing it upwards controls intermittent wiping, with adjustable speed settings controlled by a rotating ring on the stalk. Pushing the stalk downwards activates continuous low-speed or high-speed wiping. Finally, pushing the stalk away from you activates the windshield washer fluid. Unlike traditional combustion engine vehicles, the Explorer EV's wipers are powered by an electric motor drawing energy from the main battery. This electric motor is brushless and efficient, reducing wear compared to mechanical systems in gas vehicles. The wiper system integrates with the vehicle's electrical architecture, as shown in this circuit diagram. It includes a multifunction switch on the steering column, control relays for speed settings, the electric motor, a fuse for safety, and proper grounding to the battery. Energy consumption is minimal at 0.1 to 0.5 kilowatt-hours per hour, much less than major EV systems like propulsion. This efficiency helps preserve the vehicle's range. Prolonged use, especially at higher wiper speeds, can slightly reduce overall driving range, particularly in energy-saving modes. As shown in this graph of EV battery demand, efficient energy use becomes increasingly important as battery technology advances. The impact is generally negligible, but worth considering for maximizing efficiency. To activate the washer fluid, push the wiper stalk away from you on the steering column. Regularly check and refill the washer fluid reservoir to maintain optimal visibility, especially before long drives. Ford's sync system may display low fluid warnings on the dashboard if washer fluid levels are low. Always use washer fluid specifically designed for automotive use to prevent system damage and ensure effective cleaning. Regular maintenance is crucial for optimal wiper performance and driving safety. Inspect the blades every few months for signs of wear and tear, such as cracks or tears in the rubber, and streaking or uneven wiping that reduces visibility. Replace wiper blades every 6 to 12 months or 10,000 to 15,000 miles, depending on usage and environmental conditions like frequent rain or dust. Clean the windshield regularly to remove debris that can damage the blades over time. Many modern vehicles, including EVs, offer rain-sensing wipers. Although the Explorer EV was canceled, it likely would have offered this feature as an option. Rain-sensing wipers use optical sensors to detect moisture on the windshield and automatically adjust the wiping speed accordingly. This enhances safety by reducing driver distraction and ensuring optimal visibility in varying weather conditions. Common wiper problems in the Ford Explorer EV include streaking, chattering, and incomplete wiping. Let's examine each issue and potential solutions. Streaking often indicates worn or damaged blades that need replacement. Replace blades every 6 to 12 months or 10,000 to 15,000 miles for optimal performance. Chattering can be caused by a dirty windshield or worn wiper arms. Clean the windshield thoroughly and inspect wiper arms for wear. Incomplete wiping may indicate a problem with the wiper motor or linkage. Check for any obstructions preventing free movement. Always check for obstructions preventing the wipers from moving freely. If problems persist after these checks, consult a qualified technician. EV wiper technology is evolving toward increased automation and integration with advanced driver assistance systems, or ADAS. This means wipers will work more intelligently with other vehicle systems. Advanced driver assistance systems use various sensors, including radar, cameras, and ultrasound, to monitor the vehicle's surroundings. Future wipers will integrate with these systems. Future wipers may incorporate artificial intelligence and camera-based systems for fully autonomous operation. Cameras will detect rain or moisture on the windshield and activate wipers without driver input. Systems like Ford's Blue Cruise can integrate wipers with environmental sensors. This allows wipers to optimize performance based on weather conditions and vehicle surroundings for better safety and efficiency. Environmental sensors will detect moisture levels on the windshield and automatically adjust wiper speed and frequency. This creates a more responsive and energy efficient system. Expect increasing emphasis on energy efficiency and durability in EV wiper systems to help extend vehicle range. By 2030, industry predictions suggest 40% of new EVs will feature autonomous wipers that optimize performance while minimizing energy use.